Hi friends, in this video I'm going to show you how you can go ahead and buy Chillguy meme coin. Now Chillguy is another meme coin on Solana, and we have seen in the past that meme coins on Solana are doing a fantastic job. Like there is Bong, then there is Dog Beef Hat, Popcat and few others. Now there has been a major pullback in Chillguy, and I personally feel that this should do multiple X during the bull run. Although none of this is a financial advice, please do your own research. And at the time of making this video, it's sitting around 167 million US dollar market cap with 100% of the supply under circulation, which is a good thing. Now you can buy Chillguy on centralized exchange as well as decentralized exchange, and I will be showing you both the options. So you can go ahead and buy Chillguy on Mexc Global. Now if you don't have an account on Mexc Global, you can use my sign up referral link in the description, which will give you 8000 USDT as sign up bonus. And as you can see, Mexc Global has the lowest buying and the selling fee. So the buying fee is 0% and the selling fee is only 0.02%. So if you are dealing in futures, this is also a good thing because the taker fee is only 0.02%, which is lowest among all the centralized exchanges. And apart from that, they also have these campaigns where you have the chance of earning some additional USDT if you are dealing in futures. Now, once you create an account on Mexc Global, you can either buy USDT on Mexc Global directly if your country or bank allows it. If not, then you can transfer it from other exchanges or from some other crypto wallet. Now, once you have USDT on Mexc Global, simply head to Mexc Global Spot, and over here you will need to go ahead and search for Chillguy and click on Chillguy to USDT pair. Now head a bit down, and there are two types of order: market order and limit order. Market order meaning you go ahead and buy at the current market price, which is this. So simply put in the amount of USDT and click on buy. Limit meaning, let's say if you feel that the price of Chillguy will fall even further to, let's say, 0.12 level, simply put in 0.12, put in the amount of USDT and click on buy. Then this order would be showing in the open orders over here, and as soon as the price of Chillguy falls down to 0.12 level, then your order would be executed, and then you would be getting this meme coin in your Mexc Global spot account. So this was with regards to buying on a centralized exchange. Now let's say if you want to use a decentralized exchange, you will need to have a Solana wallet. So in this case, I already have a Solfair wallet. Simply head to jup.ag and go ahead and connect a Solana wallet. Please note that you will need to have Solana in your wallet in order to swap for Chillguy. So simply head to spot over here and click on swap, and over here you will need to go ahead and swap Sol for Chillguy. Now simply go ahead and search for Chillguy. And as you can see, there are a lot of these Chillguy and most of these are scam tokens. So in order to avoid this, what you can do is you can head to CoinMarketCap, copy the token contact address from here, head back to jup.ag, and under top go ahead and paste the token contact address. And this is the correct Chillguy. Now let's say if I want to go ahead and swap 0.1 Sol for Chillguy, it will calculate the best exchange rate, and as per the current exchange rate, I will be getting this amount of Chillguy meme coins. So once you click on swap, within 5 to 10 seconds your order would be executed, and then you would be getting this meme coin in your Solana wallet. Please note that you will need to have some Sol in your wallet in order to pay for the gas fees. So it is this simple to go ahead and buy this Chillguy meme coin. And this is all for this video, and in case if you have any doubts or questions, please feel free to leave a comment. I would be more than happy to help you. Hope you like my video. Thank you for watching.